Hey guys, welcome to the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off or restart your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, or the 15 Plus in a couple different ways. So let's get started. So how do you turn off your iPhone? Now, the simple and the easiest method is by using the button. So you see your button up here. You want to press and hold the volume up and then the side button at the same time. So the volume up on the 15 Pro is this button right here, and then the side button, and it needs to be at the same time. You're going to press and hold, and just like that, give it about like a second or two, and then this menu pops up to slide to power off. Now that's one way. Now another way that you might want to do it is by going to your setting of your iPhone and then go to general and then go down all the way here, and you can go ahead and click on shutdown, and that will also give you a menu to slide to power off. And then finally, let's say maybe the buttons aren't working or you can't touch the screen, you can actually activate Siri to turn off your phone for you. In order to do that, you need to say either "Hey Siri" if you have Siri enabled, or you can press this side button if you have that Siri activated on the side button. So I'm going to activate Siri. And then once I activate Siri, power off.
Just to confirm, you want to power off this device?
Yes. And as you can see here, once Siri is activated, you can just say power off and confirm it with your voice, and you don't even have to touch the screen or use the button, and your phone will turn off. Now, in order to restart it or turn it back on, you have the simplest option, which is just pressing and holding the side button until you see the Apple logo appear. Now, for some reason, maybe the button is broken. You can also connect it to a power source right on the 15. Make sure it's the USB-C. You can plug it in, and after a few seconds or so, it will automatically turn on just like that. So either the button or just connect it to a charger, and the phone should start up normally, and then you can just unplug the charger if it already has enough charge. And after that, you'll be back to your phone. And again, when you do all these methods, none of your personal data will be deleted. Your photos, videos, apps, all will be on your iPhone. But it's important if you need to shut down your phone to follow these steps. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.